Ayo, what's up lads? Welcome back to another Aesthetics Nom video. Today, as you can see here, I got the Toxtricity V-Box. Like I said earlier, that would come in. So, I'm not gonna waste any of your time, because last video was pretty damn long. I got the Zamazenta sleeves, so let's open up this box. So this came, I was waiting for a solid 2 weeks for this box to come in, so it's finally in. And I'm happy about that. It comes in. Wow, this box is actually hard to open. That's surprising. Alrighty. Alright! Okay, so here's the Toxtricity contents. Let me open this up. Real nice. Okay, so got the packs, got a jumbo card, I shine to it, promo, where the hell did it come out? There we go. Nice looking Toxtricity promo card. Sleeve that up. Okay, I'm trying to make this video a bit fast-paced today because apparently my videos are a bit too long. So, do that. There. Move these to the side. Now, the box comes with 1 Cosmic Clips, 1 Sword and Shield, 1 Evolutions, and another Sword and Shield. Okay, so with that all out of the way, we're ready, and let's get ready to, let's go straight into the pack opening. Okay, so, like always, we start with the Evolutions. Three from the back. Starting off with Brock's Grid, Professor Oak's Hint, Metapod, Carp, Weedle, Drowsy, Staryu, Metal Type Energy, Reverse Hollow Drowsy, and wait, is that we got a Mega Pidgeot EX. Okay. We're starting off great. Let's sleeve that up. The full art too. I just noticed that. Okay, that's a good pull. That's a really good pull. Starting off great right now. Toxtricity V-Box is looking up. Okay, go to Cosmic Eclipse. Cool. That didn't feel really good to open. For Fire type energy, let's get that out of the way. Ambiquam, Lana's Fishing Rod, Vaporeon, Flabébé, Shfeel, just rolling around, Not 2, Palpitoad, Jangmo-O, Reverse Hollow Wishy-Washy, and last, regular rare Alolan Sandile. Okay, not that great of a pack. Onto our 2 Sword and Shield with Lapras on the front. Ooh, this one's hard to open. Four from the back. Did I screw that up? Alrighty lads, sorry about that. A plane was flying over my house and you know how loud planes can get. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get back into the opening. Okay, so Mantine, Daughter, Dottler, Corvisquire, Goldeen, Roselia, Ghastly, Pawniard, Sizzlipede, Reverse Hollow Turtonator, and
Oh my god!
let's just get that out of the way. Okay, I like this box. Full art Wobble Pet V. Look at that. So we're 2 out of 3 right now. Okay, so on to our last Sword and Shield base set. Lapras, don't let us down. Come on. I'm just going on a tangent on how better I've gotten at opening Pokemon cards. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Melt type energy, get that out of the way. Quick Ball, another Mantine, Dottler, Rakdos, Mudbray, Ponyard, Scorbunny, Nickit, Reverse Hollow Inteleon, and for our last card, regular rare Noctowl. Alrighty, so now that we're done, time for a little review of the cards that we got. Alrighty, so we got our Toxtricity V promo card. Next, we got our Mega Pidgeot EX. Okay, I'm actually happy about this one the most, because I haven't gotten a Mega card in a while. And lastly, we got Wobbuffet V Full Art card. Both the Mega Pidgeot and the Wobbuffet are full art, which are great. So, that concludes the video for today. You know the drill. Please like and subscribe. Click that bell button if you want to see more. And remember guys, for every 5 subs we get, we're going to be throwing a pack into a tin. And by the time we get to 100 subs, we're going to be opening that tin with a bunch of packs in it. So, remember guys, that's the end of this video. And please, remember, stay aesthetic.